Good morning guys and welcome to day 2 in Patong. I'm sorry about the state of my hair, it's a right mess, but I just been to the beach. I'm all covered in sand. I was trying to get some drone footage. It was beautiful, such a lovely day. The beach wasn't crowded whatsoever. It felt very spacious. There were just some people doing some exercise, morning swim, but not many. And I know Patong has a lot of haters, a lot of people that don't enjoy Patong so much. So I'm just very excited to explore even more Phuket, because I think Patong is stunning. Maybe Patong town is a little too hectic for me. My plan for today, you guys, is to meet up with this girl who messaged me on couchsurfing. Her name is Emma and she came here from Taiwan. She's only here for 1 week, but she messaged me and she asked if I wanted to do some scuba diving with her, and of course I said yes. I'm very excited. And then I'm also meeting another one of my friends that I met through the Facebook group called Host a Sister. Before I booked Thailand, before I decided to come to Phuket, I started talking to this other girl who lives here. As you all know, I'm a sailor, so anyone who likes sailing, I'm so attracted to those kinds of people, and I really want to get good at diving, or even just get some experience at diving, because I don't have much experience with that. So, oh yeah, and I didn't tell you about yesterday. Yesterday I met up with a girl called Sandy. I'm sorry, I'm throwing a lot of names at you right now. My goal is basically to convince everyone to try solo traveling at least once in their life and not be scared of loneliness, because if you put yourself out there, you will meet more friends and more people, and you will connect with so many wonderful people from all over the world, both travelers and locals and expats. And you will meet more people by traveling by yourself than with someone else. You will have more time to meet other people, and also you will be more willing and more looking to connect with people, because you will not want to be lonely, you will not want to experience different things on your own. But now I can totally understand why so many people say that you need to try traveling by yourself at least once in your life. I can totally understand why, because it's just a wonderful experience. So yesterday I met up with a girl called Sandy. We matched on Bumble Friends, you know, the app called Bumble. If you don't know, I'll insert it here. You could actually use Bumble for dating, or for making friends, or even for business, I believe, but you can't use these 3 options at once. You have to choose one, and I've never used Bumble for dating. I would not like to use it for dating. However, it's the only app that I know that actually allows you to just connect with friends, and I've tried to use it in Europe back in the day and never worked out for me. People that I matched with were always too far away, they were not talkative so much. But here in Thailand, oh my goodness, I had the best experience with Bumble. Literally, as soon as I logged into my app, I matched with Sandy and a few other girls, and they all want to meet up. We went all across the Patong Beach, the whole entire beach. We were at the cliffs, at the rocks. It was incredible. And she was staying in this hotel with a live music bar and seafront view. We watched the sunset from the bar. I just loved how I was able to connect with her on such deep level from the first meetup. I'm hoping to see her again before she leaves, because she's leaving in a few days, so to go to Bangkok. So hopefully I can see her again before she leaves. She also invited me over, so if I'll be coming to Bangkok, I am sure going to see her again. And I hope she also comes back to Europe. And also, if you are hoping to be a full-time traveler and the thing that is stopping you is your job or your finances, then I've also created a course about building your wealth and financial freedom that goes into detail about different passive income methods that you can start today without having any money upfront. So these are the 3 methods that you can start. And also I talk about some ways you can invest your money for it to grow and not to lose it due to inflation. So if you would want to know how I've managed to be able to travel and start working towards my financial freedom, then I will have a course link down below. It's going to be the first link in the description, and I really hope you can start building your passive income streams and be able to travel. Is that spider? Are you hungry? Ciao!